What's up, guys? It's your boy Boss Kasanga. I'm just doing a series of backtesting my supply and demand zone strategy. Okay, what do I do first? I always come to the 1 hour time frame just to see what the market is telling me, and I just draw out all my breakout structures, my supply zones, demand zones, all that. Okay, that is a breakout structure to the downside. I can also count this as a breakout structure. Okay, that is also a breakout structure. The high was not taken out. Okay, it's like we have almost a double top right there. There's liquidity sitting here. I'll just say liquidity sitting here. Maybe in the future liquidity can be taken out from there. Okay, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. This was my last low. Okay, this was the last low, and then it was taken out by this candle right here. This is all on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the slow, this push to this zone, then we came down, we broke that zone. This was our last lower low. This is our last low swing, and this is our, I would say this is here was our last low, and it was broken just by a week. Okay, we have a change of structure. CS, that's a change of structure. For me, all this could be liquidity just sitting here. That's just liquidity sitting here for me. Liquidity. Now I'll just go to the lower time frame and see what's happening. Come to the 30 minutes time frame and see what's the market, how is the market complaining here. Okay, this was our last low, our high, last lower high, broken by this swing. This could be a demand zone. This was a demand zone. That was a demand zone. For me, I always take 50% of the demand zone. So I always place my buy or sell on it if it's a supply zone. Okay, now if the market comes and just drag me here, I'll take a buy to this zone, but I don't take my buys on the 30 minute. I'll go to the 25 minute and see what's happening also here. On the 25 minute, we did break this structure, just hoping that this will be a change of structure, hoping that the market just goes up. Okay, this liquidity was already taken out. Okay, liquidity was taken out here, but still we have this liquidity sitting, here, and a demand zone that needs to be touched. Okay, and then I go to my time frame that I always place my entries. Okay, this demand zone might be not violet, don't know. Okay, but this was a demand zone, and this demand zone was tested. Okay, was tested. I like to take that week. This demand zone was tested, but I might say this could just be an inducement and the market comes here or might just go up. Now let's play and see what's going to happen. By the way, this is GBP USD that I'm back testing. Gold destroyed me. Gold always destroys my account. I hate trading gold. I love trading gold on a demo. I hate trading gold on a live account. Okay, market is moving, so now we're just going to concentrate on here. We have the lower time frame, we have a trend line, a downtrend line, a downtrend and a downtrend. We are in a downtrend on the small time frame. Okay, now this is our last higher low swing. Okay, now you can see that the market just wanting to come here, or it might not also want to come there. We have this demand zone just here, hoping that the market might break that zone. If it breaks that zone, it will tap in this zone and I'll take a buy from this zone, because that will be liquidity taken out from there. Okay, if it comes and test the zone. My back testing is not only about my strategy, it's also about when I should be patient. Okay, when I should be patient. Okay, I want to take the trade here. Okay, we're already in the demand zone on the 10 minute time frame, but just hoping that this can be an endorsement. Okay, just hoping that it can be an endorsement. Takes out the zone. Yeah, let me just make it a bit faster. Let's see what's going to happen. As you can see, this demand zone is holding, or was holding. Now we tested again, but still I'm just waiting for that entry here, because that's the point of interest. That's my point of interest. Okay, so the market did come in, did test this demand zone. Okay, it is in the demand zone, but my entry might be very far. Just what's going to happen. Okay, sometimes you just lose interest. Okay, it is in the demand zone, coming to buy. It was a buy here. Okay, the analysis was correct, but still we didn't break any structure, showing us that it's a change of structure to the upside. Okay, so we still have a second chance. The market did break this, or break this here, telling us the market want to align with the higher time frame that is going up. So which demand zone broke this zone? So I'm just going to look for that demand zone that broke this zone. It's this one here, but the problem is I don't have an imbalance anywhere here, so this might be also a tricky trade. Now I'm not in this trade, so I'll just look for another trade here. My stop loss always under the demand zone or the supply zone, always. Okay, so that's where I'm going to look for a trade. I'm just going to play it fast. Okay, we're always breaking structures. This zone could be a nice zone to buy from. That's what's going to happen. market just went without us. Just went without us. Okay, now we are creating here liquidity. All this is liquidity for me. So I'm just hoping for the market, if the market can come here. Okay. This is London session right here. London session. Wow. The market just took us out. So this demand zone was invalid. Okay, let's see this one. Market came to touch my 15 or my 50%. I could have also taken a trade here. Let me see. I'll take this trade and place in 2 lots. Buy. Okay, now let's place our stop loss. Stop loss is 26.7009, and my take profit, I want my take profit at least to come here, right here. Okay, take profit will be 1.27125. okay, now let's see what this is going to give us. Let's play. And it took us out. Wow, just look at that. It takes us out and then it goes back to align with our trade. So let me go to the minimum time, the higher time frame, like the 30-minute time frame, just to see what happened. Why was I taken out? But that was a very big bearish candle. Let me see if I can align a demand zone right here. Okay, 30 minutes, I can't find one. And the 1 hour also. Wow, too far, very far. On the 1 hour, here it is. Here's the candle. This was the zone we came to touch. Okay, let me just see. Okay, zooming out sometimes is very good. We have this demand zone there, also resistance right there, then a demand zone. Okay, maybe that's why. So we've just lost two trades, risking $200. That could, that's 400 already gone in 2 trades. Now I still just wait and see what market can give you. Let me just go back. Now I'm in the 25 time frame. Okay. I just can't see those imbalances. We can get off. Do I have an imbalance somewhere here? Let me see. On the 25, there's a bit of imbalance right here. Okay, let me go to the 10 minute time frame. Even this is my demand zone. Okay, there's no imbalance here on the 10-minute time frame, but let's see the market structure. Oh, I didn't see this. Okay, now if we're in a higher high now. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. The high was taken out. The last low was taken out, giving us that change of structure. I have a demand zone here, the demand zone that caused this break of structure right here. So I'm going to place a sell after breaking the zone. Let's see what's going to happen.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
That was too fast, but this could have been my entry. Come on. This could have been my entry. Choose there and my take profit. 50% of the demand zone right there. And let's see how could have it working out. Okay, that could have been a wonderful, that could have been a win. Now we're in the demand zone. If it breaks this high, I'll take a trade, and my stop loss could have been very big. But let's see what happened next. Okay, there could be a trend, that could be my entry, another entry here, and just take it to this zone. My stop loss could have been very big, so I will have just adjust my lot size and just place it small lot size. Okay, so just this win got us back all our 2 losses. We've taken this trade, but on this trade we also a demand zone here. As you can see, this is a demand zone. This is a supply zone. Yeah, this is a supply zone. Okay, so on this trade could also have been a win. Okay, now my problem is being patient, waiting for such setups. I can find them, I can see them, but I'm not always patient. So I should learn how to be patient. So guys, this is my series that I'm doing of back testing. If you guys want to know what platform I'm using to back test, just ask me in the comments. Okay, see you in the next video. Fala, meu filho. Fala, meu papa. Eu quero então que estava a gravar, filho. Assim não.